Okay, so for this example, example 2 here, it's asking us to write the equation in vertex form given the graph when they're giving you the vertex and at least one other point. So here we have our vertex of -1, 0, and we have the other point of -2, 2. Now, because of vertex form, it makes this really easy because we can take our vertex and plug it in for our h and k here. So we'll have y equals a x minus -1 squared plus 0. Now when we simplify this, a minus a negative, remember because we have to simplify what's inside the parentheses first, following our order of operations, will be x plus 1 squared, and then plus 0 we can just get rid of, because it's add nothing. Alright, so now I have a little bit more simpler equation because I don't have 3, or 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't have 5 unknown variables, I only have 3 unknown. So now it simplifies it to y equals a parentheses x plus 1 squared. But even though it looks like x and y are unknown, we still actually have a point that we can use, and it can't be your vertex point because that's not going to help us solve. It's going to make this 0, which would be a would be 0, and it's not going to work out. So you can't plug your vertex back in. That's where the other point comes into play. So you plug the other point in here for x and y. So obviously this is our x and this is our y. So we're going to have 2 equals a, and then -2 plus 1 squared. And let's solve. -2 plus 1 is -1 squared. Following our order of operations, I simplify what's inside the parentheses first. Now I need to do my exponent. So it's going to be -1 squared is just 1, positive 1. So then we have to divide by 1. So I'll have 2 equals a. So our equation is going to be y equals 2x plus 1 squared. That's the equation of this. If you use Desmos graphing calculator, or you could even use any of the other calculators because it's not x equals y equals, you can type it in a graphing calculator, y equals 2x plus 1 squared. So that obviously helps out. Or that's our equation, and that's all we have to do.